Yeah, hello, Chen, and good morning, guten Tag. Today is our day two. We are still on the air. So going to Hong Kong. We are landed today in Hong Kong. And before our landed, no, we will have our breakfast for today. So it's a long flight, and I only take only hours or 2 to 3 hours sleep, and the manual also not that much good sleep for in the flight. But anyway, at least we only relax and sits down, and manual play, and also me watch movies and hear the music. So look at that, the sunrise. So we're already near in the Hong Kong airport, and they already serve the breakfast. So continue to watch us for today as we also roaming around, because we decided not to go out in the Hong Kong. Man will not want to do any excursion. Though it's allowed because we already have a lot of time. So if you have more than 7 hours, you can do. So we have 8 hours. We are allowed to do the for free Hong Kong excursion or tour. But man will like to look the airplanes in the Hong Kong, because they have very interested in all of that. So continue to watch our video until we landed Hong Kong, and after Hong Kong in Cebu City. Hello everyone. I want to try the ramen here, but suddenly Manuel want to try the crispy fried chicken from Popeyes. I don't know if I have a right the pronunciation. But anyway, the review is good. Manuel like it, and I also taste it. It also tastes good because they have a lot of chicken in one meal, and I also like it. So as of now, we still ongoing in our layover here in Hong Kong. I take a nap, and Manuel not take any nap because he's really very busy tracking the airplanes here in Hong Kong, and even do his layover he do his drafting. My boy is really like technical also. It his talent, and we do roaming around here. We not do a lot of shopping here, and yeah, very easy the terminal here in Hong Kong. And continue to watch the video, because today we also not landed here in Hong Kong. We also landed in my home place and Manuel also birthplace, the Lapu-Lapu City, the Mactan International Airport. So keep watching our videos.
If we try to, we can make it. But don't we ever just take some chances and stop your thinking and start your living. Get your shoes on, we're going dancing. These little problems, we could solve them. Try another, but I know you got one. But there's no hurry, the limelight's calling. In the van we're driving to Austin. This feels like time is making fun of me, taking away at the walls and I can barely breathe. This might be my only chance to leave. Let's not miss this opportunity. Leave in with me. You're the king of Carolina. You're the singer, your band's behind you. Crowds around here, they just talk through you. But nothing's better than when they love you. Rumor has it, there's an angel in the crowd where you guys are playing. We've been drinking, so now we're praying they don't find us, 'cause man, we're wasted. Feels like time is making fun of me, taking away at the walls and I can barely breathe. This might be my only chance to leave.
Hello, Chen, and we already landed here in Mactan International Airport. Man would get very excited. And of course, here in airport for almost 7 years, they have a lot of new here in Mactan International Airport. Look at that, very nice and super fast because not that much going landed tonight. And we also already have our pickup from Travel Tours going to Jpark Resort, Waterpark. So we are already here in the Jpark. So why we stay here at Jpark Island Resort and Waterpark? Because this is Manuel request. So it's his request. And all I can do is we also got a very good price from our Travel Tours. So this is our room for tour. By the way, this is a deluxe. And Manuel decided that we have separate bed. And that's our bed. And so that's it. We get also fast because we want to roaming around outside. And look at that, they have our welcome with the kalachuchi and the fruits. That's good because I love fruits. And we have the sea view with a terrace or balcony. And that's all in the room. And we continue to roaming around here. Also at Jpark, they have a lot of new here inside after 7 years. We also get fast in the supermarket, only in the other side of Jpark. So at least we need water, a lot of waters, and because that's what also we use in brushing our tooth. And yeah, we still have a little bit power. And of course we already started because today we will surprise my brother in our home. And of course before that we will also go in our Virgin de Regla National Shrine here in Lapu-Lapu City. Because the manual still a lot of power, we still roaming around here inside. It's hot in the Philippines. It's really summer, and even it's already night. Kung sa Bisaya, it's igang oy. That's all. You have a lot here. You have the new restaurant, the Coral restaurant, and in this area you can also look fishes. There's here a lot. And yeah, my man is still smiling and kicking. Good that I have still energy to go with this boy. And the good thing, we have a very nice view, a sea view here in our room. So we are located in the old buildings of the Jpark, which is before it's known to be an Imperial Palace. And look what Manuel have for this video, because you know in Europe we cannot put out the cup or the closing of the bottle, no, but here you can put out, so at least it's not disturb his nose, so he's happy in that. That's for today, and good night, Ale.